Hello everyone, and welcome to NewSource TiViGenie video site on YouTube. Today, after you have your TiViGenie installed on your TV, we are going to start a guided tour of how TiViGenie has been set up and how you can use it every day. First and foremost, TiViGenie puts a full computer on your TV screen. As we move forward from here, the operating system will be Microsoft's Windows 10. However, we know that some of our customers from last year have Windows 8.1. That's fine to keep, and if you can upgrade to Windows 10. Um, as with any new computer you purchase, you can add new accounts, software, programs, web browsers, and games. But of course, these additions can't be from a CD disk. So you have to get your software online from the manufacturer through a browser. We also put Google Chrome on the desktop of TiViGenie, but Microsoft's Edge is also in the list of apps that can be activated as well. Also, you can choose to change the settings at any time to personalize what you see on the screen. So now, as you turn on your TiViGenie, you'll always come to your desktop with the TiViGenie background, and on the bottom is this orange taskbar, which basically has a few important things, and basically this is where you want to start. All right. I have a couple of additional things on here in order to be able to do these videos for you, but the start from left to right. The file manager, which opens up all of the different avenues, the inner workings of Windows 10, and all of the categories and files and folders that exist already that come with Windows 10. Chrome, we put the Chrome browser on the taskbar as an easy access. But more importantly, to get started, we have a couple of small icons over on the right-hand side. One is the internet access, which if you just left-click your mouse, you'll see all of the different Wi-Fi networks that you can connect to in your own neighborhood, in your own home. By doing that, that's where you'll connect to the internet. The second one is the audio box, which if you click on that, you'll see your TV as the speaker for the TiViGenie. If you don't see your TV on here, it could mean that as TiViGenie started, you didn't pick up the audio portion, and you need to restart the process. And then third is the date and time, which for some reason, if you don't have the day and time correct, when you go to Google Chrome and you look through, you're browsing through your Google, it will not pick up various websites, because if the time is off and the date is off, it won't activate and you won't get to those pages. So it's a good thing you can use right from here the day and time settings. You can go in there and you can change the day and the time, and it will start from that point. Sometimes coming from Florida, when these products get to other time zones, you do have to make sure you've got the right time zone in place. But from this point, the taskbar is where you want to start. To be able to do the other things, you need to make sure that your internet and your audio and your date and time are always correct. We have also on the desktop preloaded 4 different programs for TiViGenie. The first one, as I mentioned, is Google Chrome. And if we open up Google Chrome, you'll see it looks just like what you would project on your computer screen or your laptop. It starts with the Google search, and we also have a gray bookmark bar at the top with actually 4 different, on your TiViGenie, there's 4 different things that we've already established for you. One is the speed test for your internet. The other one is TiViGenie, our homepage website. Third is US TV Now, which is a free web page for a free sign up, and we'll show you how to do that later. And Vivo is music that's has a free website, and that's also being used on TiViGenie as well. But the first one is really kind of important, and I'm going to click that now to give you a little bit of idea. Speedtest.net is a very reliable test for your Wi-Fi. Um, Most of the cable and internet companies have their own test, but I found that this is independent of them and works very, very well. So I'm going to do a live test on my internet here just to see where we're at and show you how it works. I'm going to click Begin Test, and right at the moment I'm working with Comcast, and it's going to ping down to, I'm in West Palm Beach, it's going to ping down to Miami, Florida. And the first thing, the most important speed you want to focus on is this download speed, the first number that's going to come up. And it comes in megabytes per second, and right now it's about 34, almost 35 megabytes per second. So that's pretty good, although what I'm supposed to be getting is around 50 to 75. So it's a little bit low for what I'm supposed to be getting, but as far as TiViGenie goes, anything over 10 megabytes per second will get the job done, and TiViGenie will work very well. So right now we have a download speed of 34.75, which is good. The upload speed really doesn't make any difference at all. So we're working with a very good download speed. The second thing, so that's one way to test it. If you do this test and it takes a long time and you're getting under 10 megabytes per second, um, you might want to consider a couple different options. Number one, calling your internet provider, finding out, making sure you know what you're paying for. Sometimes folks are paying for 30 megabytes per second, and they hardly ever get to 30 megabytes per second. Also, sometimes, and it makes sense that when you're getting internet and you're budgeting internet into your household expenses, that typically you're getting the lowest that you need in order to operate your devices in your home. But with TiViGenie, you're adding another device. So while you'll save all kinds of money on your cable TV and your programming, you may have to increase your internet speed. And normally the cable companies have 2 or 3 different levels, but you want to find out what you're paying for, making sure that you're getting what you're paying for, and increase it if you need to. And there's a lot of different factors that go along with that, but overall, anything over 10 to 15 megabytes per second will get the job done with TiViGenie. All right, we're going to get out of there. The second thing that we've added to your desktop from TiViGenie is a team viewer. Now, this program is for your use and our use together. In the event that there's something that's not quite working right with your TiViGenie, or there might be an upgrade in the future that you don't feel comfortable doing, you can call our technicians with our customer service, and we can actually go onto your TiViGenie through this program and fix your TiViGenie in a matter of minutes, rather than having the cost and expense and time factor of boxing up your TiViGenie, sending it back to us working on it, and sending it back to you. We can get this done in just a few short minutes. So it's a very good tool to use, and for both of us, saving time and money and getting you on your way with your entertainment. The third box is a super anti-spyware. This is an antivirus program. Super anti-spyware is what we put onto the TiViGenie for basically for one reason. We put it on there to protect. You're going on the internet and you might end up getting some malware and some viruses on your TiViGenie because this is just a regular computer. Um, and the reason we put super anti-spyware on it uh, is basically because in the past, when I've ever had my devices not working properly or get infected with viruses and so forth, and I've had to have a computer expert go onto my computers and get all that stuff erased, they have always used super anti-spyware to help eliminate my problems. So it's a free program. It works. It does the job. It will let you know, like over here, you can click here to check for updates, and boom, it gives you the updates in like about a minute. And every time it'll give you notices. It'll tell you that you need to upgrade. You don't need to upgrade the system, but you need to update uh, the pro the files for the latest viruses and so forth. And you'll see this taking place, and it will also tell you how many days. Now it's done. Took less than a minute, and you just click OK. And this is the button that you click to scan your computer, and it's already it's activated to make sure that optimized so that you're getting everything in your TiViGenie scanned. And it might take like 5 to 10 minutes, and but it does a really good job. And then finally, we have the fourth program is Kodi. Kodi is the operating system that'll allow you to add the programs that'll bring in the movies, TV shows, live internet TV stations, and live sports and music from all over the world. On our next video, we'll have the tour through Kodi and how to set it up. But these four programs are also on your start page with Windows 10. If you take your pointer and you bury it into the bottom left-hand corner and you click, single click, it'll bring up this arrangement of your programs, and you see the first four are your Chrome, Kodi, TeamViewer, and Super Anti-Spyware. And then there's also, I mean, you can add Skype to this. You can add weather. You can add your calendar, your weekly, daily, monthly calendar for the year. You can add your various different alternatives to your email. And you can also go to the store and get other apps that you'll be able to download and use for this as well. So there's also, TiViGenie is a computer, and it can be used as a computer right on your TV screen. So that's it for today. Look for the next video that'll take you through Kodi and all the programs inside it. So long, and enjoy the